Today, I'll show you how to reduce PDF size in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file that you want to make smaller. Once the PDF is open, look for the Compress PDF tool. You may see it on the right side of the screen. If not, click Tools, then search for Compress PDF. Click Compress PDF. Adobe Acrobat may show different compression options depending on your version. Choose the compression level you want. For most files, the default or recommended setting is a good choice because it reduces the file size while keeping the document readable. If you need the smallest file possible, choose a stronger compression option. But remember that image quality may become lower. After choosing the setting, click Compress. Wait for Acrobat to process the file. When it is finished, Acrobat will create a smaller version of your PDF. Now save the compressed file. Click File, then choose Save As. Give the file a new name, such as Compressed PDF or Smaller PDF. This is a good idea because it keeps your original PDF unchanged. After saving, check the new file size. You can also open the compressed PDF and review the pages. Make sure the text is clear, the images still look acceptable, and nothing important is missing. If the file is still too large, you can try compressing it again with a stronger setting. Another option is to use Optimize PDF if it is available in your version of Acrobat. Go to Tools, then choose Optimize PDF. This gives you more control over images, fonts, and other file elements. Some compression tools may require Adobe Acrobat Pro or an active Adobe subscription, so to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Compress PDF, select a compression level, click Compress, then save the smaller file as a new copy. And that's how you reduce PDF size in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.